Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we are diving into a super interesting topic. What happens if you drink clove water every day for 2 weeks straight? Cloves are tiny but mighty species packed with incredible health benefits. So if you are curious about how this ancient remedy could change your body, stick around. So we will cover the benefits, what you might experience and even some tips to include it in your daily routine. So let's get started. So first benefit is it boosts the immunity. Clove water is rich in antioxidants which help protect your body from harmful free radicals and boost your immune system. Over 2 weeks you might notice fewer colds, better energy levels and an overall stronger immune response. It can also help your body recover faster from infections and seasonal illnesses. Second, it improves digestion. Drinking clove water can work wonders for your digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, reduces bloating, and helps relieve constipation. Over time, it can also help reduce inflammation in the gut, promoting a healthier digestive system. Third benefit, it promotes healthy skin. Clove water has antimicrobial properties that can help combat ASN and improves your skin's texture. By flushing out toxins, it gives your skin a natural glow. Regular use can reduce dark spots and blemishes, leaving your skin radiant and clear. Fourth benefit, it supports oral health. If you have ever noticed clove oil in toothpaste, that's a reason. Drinking clove water can kill bacteria in your mouth, reduce bad breath, and even soothe gum inflammation. It can also help prevent cavities and keep your teeth stronger over time. Fifth benefit, it regulates blood sugar levels. Cloves can help stabilize blood sugar levels by improving insulin function. This can prevent sudden sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you with the more sustained energy throughout the day. Sixth benefit, it relieves joint pain. Eugenol in cloves has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. It can also prevent further inflammation, making it beneficial for those with the chronic pain conditions. Seventh, it aids in weight loss. Clove water can also help with the weight management by boosting your metabolism and improving fat breakdown. It can also help reduce cravings and improve digestion, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. It improves respiratory health. Cloves are great for the respiratory health. They can help clear mucus, reduce throat irritation, and improve lung function. This is especially helpful during cold or flu as it can soothe your throat and ease breathing. Ninth, it enhances liver health. Clove water supports detoxification by promoting liver function and reducing oxidative stress. A healthier liver means better toxin elimination, which can improve your overall energy and the skin health. Now let's see some tips to include clove water in your daily routine. Now that you know the benefits, here are some of the simple ways to incorporate clove water into your day. First is morning detox. Start your day with a glass of warm clove water on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Second is meal companion. Sip on clove water during or after the meals to improve your overall digestion. Third is nighttime routine. Have a warm cup of clove water before bed to relax your body and improve your sleep pattern. Fourth is DIY clove water. Boil 3 to 4 cloves in a cup of 5 to 7 minutes. You can even add honey or lemon for extra flavor. So guys, what do you think? Are you ready to give clove water a try? With all these amazing benefits, drinking it every day for 2 weeks could truly transform your health. If you have ever tried it before, let me know your experience in the comments below. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who could use these tips. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay awesome. I will see you in the next video.